Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add music to your shorts on PC. So first of all, open your YouTube channel and go on manage videos. And now click on shorts and open the desired shorts in which you want to add music. I will open for example this one and click on editor here. Now click on audio, you can see here. Now for example I will select this one. Now this is added to my shorts. This is a good feature, but if you have a silent video. That's it for the video. See you in the next one. Please do consider like and subscribing.